another banger. Hi everybody, it's your girl African, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me, especially with the sirens going on, the outside noise, the AC blasting. Hopefully y'all can hear me, okay? Anywho, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Kezia, otherwise known as Rare African, and basically on my channel I just film anything that's fashion or vlogs or any lifestyle content that I'm just interested in posting and sharing with you guys. So today I got you guys with another sneaker unboxing and a style with me video. I will be presenting you guys the Nike Vomero Zoom 5 or Nike Zoom Vomero 5 sneaker. So let's go ahead and just dive right in, guys. Like, let's get to it. So I purchased these sneakers off of Nordstrom.com. I was just scrolling on there because sometimes Nordstrom be having some low-key like nice sneakers on there. So I like to always go on there just to see what's new. And I found these shoes, these Nike Zoom Vomero 5 sneakers. These are some comfy, just typical sneakers. Let me go ahead and take them out of the box so it doesn't slip out of my lap. These are the sneakers that I got. They're just some like basic white, off-white with a hint of chocolate blue and then a nice little platinum light blue silver-ish color that's on it. I've heard that the Vomero 5 sneakers are very comfortable, so I wanted a nice like cute little trainer shoe to have in my closet, especially with me living in New York. It requires a lot of walking. I just really wanted some sneakers that are comfortable, stylish, and just really overall an all-activity sneaker, okay? And this is really an all-activity sneaker. You're able to work out in it, just kind of walk around in it, chill in it, whatever. So it's pretty good for that. I haven't tried working out in these sneakers, but I am open to trying that. I normally use my Nike Metcon 5 sneakers. I'll insert a photo here. And I really like those shoes because I can lift in them. They're comfortable. They're just not comfortable for standing in them all day. Like low-key over time, my feet would get hurt, but I like to use it for training, doing HIIT, or just weightlifting. But I would love to try these Nike Vomero and see if they're good for like standing, because sometimes I'd be on my feet all day, especially with my job, and also just kind of walk around the city, like I said. So one thing that drew me into purchasing these shoes is really that chocolate bottom. I really like how it's just this dark chocolate, and then it has an off-white, like all-white kind of color, and then a hint of blue. I actually did not know there was going to be a hint of blue on here, but as you guys can see in the video that I showed you guys throughout, it's pretty nice, pretty simple, pretty easy to pair with really anything. It does have some black incorporated in the sneaker, so I think it leaves some leg room whether you want to wear like an all-black outfit and just have these at the bottom, depending on the style. So let's just get into the nitty-gritty of things. I have my notes down here if you guys see me looking down. I am a size 7 in women, so if you guys are curious what size I am, size 7. These are pretty true to size. I got my true size and they fit pretty comfortable, perfect, not roomy, not too tight, just the right amount. These shoes went for $160. I mean, a little bit pricey. Maybe I would pay like $120, $100 for the sneakers, but other than that, I mean, like, it's not as crazily expensive, I would say. 160 is okay, I guess it's like a happy medium. I wonder why it's even that high, to be honest. But I really do like the construction of this shoe, so if you guys just take a really, really close look into it, there's like a nice mesh ventilation going on the side, and just nice knit across of the front toe. I'm not really good with my sneaker terms yet, but I will learn, and I'll be able to execute it properly. And then in the back, it has this cool like vent kind of detail texture in the back. And please ignore that sound. Please ignore that sound, okay? But yeah, really cushioned, really comfortable, white laces, typical. What else? Oh, also I found out this does have a removable sole, so if you want to remove your insole, you could definitely do that. And it has this Bowerman series inside. I don't know, I'm not familiar with Bowerman, honestly. Not familiar, but I just think the sneakers are cute, okay? They look comfy and it'll be great walking shoes, and just kind of, I don't really have like a white sneaker, so definitely trying to up my sneaker game. You know, as you can see, I don't really have that many sneakers. I did give away a lot, and some sneakers I threw away because I wore them down, so like I need some new sneakers. So I got these. The specific colorway and the name of these sneakers is the the Phantom Platinum and Light Iron colorway. So yeah, they do have a wide range of colorways in this sneaker, guys. Like, they have this really cool photon dust with like silver chrome on it. I really wanted those, but I didn't know where to buy it, but now I found it. And it's a bit more expensive now. I think it's like the resale price is going up for like $260 and up, something like that. On this one site that I saw, maybe I could find it somewhere cheaper. I really would like a silver shoe, and I think that would be a great silver shoe. It's really cute. So I am open to looking forward to purchasing that. I haven't worn it out yet because I really wanted to film this video first. So it's pretty brand new from the bottom, as you guys can see. It's really not dirty at all. It's super duper comfy. So I'm going to try it on. I'm show you guys the try on clip and see how it looks on my feet. I did make a TikTok about these shoes, like unboxing it and stuff, and showing the details. So follow me on TikTok at rareafrican, and you guys will see that. And I have inserted a clip in the beginning of like basically like a montage of it. So I'm gonna put these shoes on and try them on. Has a little bit of elevation to it. I feel like maybe about an inch or half an inch of elevation, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my feet and just kind of do like a little walking thing. You guys know how I do with my sneaker style videos. And then I'll come back to you guys and talk more. Alright guys, so that was a little montage. So now I'm going to dive into the clothes that I would use to wear with these sneakers. Just kind of like a styling video of using the clothes that I currently have in my wardrobe. Side note, I am purging my wardrobe and giving things away and buying new things. So it was a bit tricky for me to figure out how I can style these shoes with the clothes that I currently have. But I came up with like 4 outfits. Not OC crazy, but comfy, cute, calm, and collected, and try to make it more of like an all-around, roundabout, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm just trying to make these outfits kind of very versatile. They're very casual, calm, and just chill. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment box what outfit you guys liked from this style with me montage that I'm about to present to you. And yeah, that is really it. So let's get to it.
Girls just wanna have. Girls just wanna have. Girls just wanna have. Look at me, I'm happy. Yeah, about that too. Something's telling me you never had a shopping spree in New York.
Well, something's telling me that I went ahead and kept the whole key to your heart.
I confess that I don't usually do that.
Something about you, I put it to the side, like what am I missing? I hit her from the side on one of my visits.
I hope you guys enjoyed the style with me and sneaker unboxing of the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 sneakers. Please leave me a comment box below of which outfit was your favorite that I presented, and are you interested in buying these shoes? Do you like them? Cop or drop? Let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Like literally, if you're staring at your computer screen or your mobile device, like, and you see that subscribe button is still red, hit that subscribe button because that shows that you're not subscribed, and you should turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos that I post. Let's get to it and hit it. Alright, but without further ado, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.